Here's how you can install a cookie banner in Webflow. In order to add the Accept All Cookies or Reject All Cookies tab onto your website by using Webflow, this is how you can do it. First of all, go onto your Google, or it can be any other browser that you're using, and search for webflow.com. Once you're on Webflow, make sure to log in or sign up. Click on Get Started, it's free from the top right corner, and then just sign up. You can also sign up with your Google account or your work email address. Once you're signed up, make sure you have at least one workspace to work with. Just go onto the three dots of your workspace and click on Settings. Now from the left bar options, you'll need to click on Custom Code, which will be at the bottom. Add custom code, you can add in any sort of custom codes. Here, paste the custom code of your cookie banner and click on Save. You'll see that now on your website, you'll have a cookies banner. If you want to verify it, just go onto the settings again and you'll see that the cookie yes is installed on your site. That is how easily you can install a cookie banner onto your website by using Webflow. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.